Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the car safe, park on level ground, and set the parking brake. Once done, place a wheel chock on the opposite side. This prevents roll. Next, locate the correct jacking point. You want the reinforced pinch weld or manufacturer mark. Loosen the lug nuts 1 or 2 turns before you lift, because it's harder and dangerous while the wheel is off. Make sure your jack-rated capacity exceeds the vehicle's weight. This protects you and the car. You position the jack so the contact pad sits squarely on the jacking point, centered and flush with metal. Pump or crank the jack steadily, watching alignment. Raise until the tire clears the ground by about 2 to 3 inches, enough to remove the wheel. Once you have height, place a jack stand under a strong support point and slowly lower the car onto it. This transfers weight safely. Make sure the stand sits solidly and the car rests on metal, not plastic or pinch weld edges. You put the wheel back on, hand thread the lug nuts to avoid cross-threading, then lower the car until the tire touches. Once lowered, torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer spec in a star pattern so load distributes evenly. Store your jack in stands and recheck lug torque after the first 5 to 10 miles. If the jack slips or feels unstable at any point, stop immediately, lower the car onto the ground safely, reposition the jack on solid ground.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.